Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up my happy planner. This is the Good Habits one, and I use this planner in order to plan my content for YouTube as well as podcast. And for today's planning, I'm also using this sticker kit from Planner Kit. This is one of my favorite sticker kits. I know it's a very fall oriented kit, but I feel the colors would really go well with the color theme that's there in this planner. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is use this washi tape to divide off this long column here, and I like to put the header up at the top and my to-do list at the bottom here. Here we go. We have the side of the page ready, and then I'm gonna go over the other side. Initially, I tried to use it more like a decorative planner where I use happy planner stickers. Then that didn't work. I went completely functional with just a washi tape and checklist. That worked well. It's fine. I thought I could give the kit a try this week so that it's both functional as well as decorative, something that I like in terms of design. So we have this, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the checklist here. And what I do with this checklist is that I write down the things that I need to get done for that particular video or the podcast episode. So this particular planner, I don't use it every single week. There are certain weeks wherein I wouldn't have planned as to which video would go live when. And for those weeks, I just use a notebook. I have a list of ideas and podcast episodes wherein I see whenever I sit down to film or, like record the podcast, I see as to what I want to talk about. So whenever I have a lot of requested videos or podcast episodes, that is when I use this particular planner. I make sure that all the requests are being met in terms of videos and podcast episodes. That just helps me to plan better because there are certain videos that would take more than usual time for me to film, and even the episodes. So that's why I like pre-planning for those type of ones. So we have our basic structure here. Now let's go ahead with putting which videos would go live when. And for that, what I'm gonna do is, so basically I have three types of things in my content. One is podcast, and the other one is planning videos. In the planning videos, I have two buckets. So in that, one is videos that I do every single week, like my weekly planning and my weekly dashboard setup. And then this other bucket wherein I take video requests from you guys or I come up with video ideas. So I want to use stickers to divide it that way because I don't have like uniform stickers for all the 7 days. And for podcast episodes, I'm gonna use these larger boxes, these decorative ones. On Tuesday, one episode goes live, and then on Friday, another episode goes live. So here we go. That's perfect. And then Saturday and Sunday is when my regular recurring planning videos would go live. Let me just write this down. So this would be for my weekly planner. And then this would be for my weekly dashboard. And then here I write down like the theme that I'm going for that particular week, or the sticker books that I'm going to be using, or any of the sticker kits that I'm going to be using. So I use this spot in order to plan that out. These are the days where I put out any videos that you guys have requested or any other video ideas that I come up with. And then we have another one here. So on Monday, my desk tour is coming up. This was something that I thought of doing, and I also got a couple of requests, so I'm gonna be doing that. And these kind of videos take more than usual time for me to film. So the videos where you see like over the head shots, like these kind of videos, that usually takes about 30 minutes for me to like set up, film, and all of that. My weekly planner videos would take like almost an hour for me to film, and then the podcast episodes take even more longer. Okay, this is one. And then on Wednesday, I'm gonna be setting up a wish list tracker or a wish list page. Also, for this one, I don't know if I want to be using stickers or like try to set up without using any stickers. I did get a few comments asking for planning setups without using any stickers. So let me know if you think that, or if you want to see a setup page me without using any stickers. I can do it for this one. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and use stickers. And we have this there. And then on Thursday, so this is something that I asked you guys in yesterday's video as well. I'm planning to go to a stationery store and pick up some. So let me know if you want to like come along, like me going and showing all the store, or you just want to see like a haul video wherein I go through all the things that I purchased. So let me know about that. Haul or vlog, either of those, I'm okay. And for podcast episodes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna talk about audiobooks, how like the app I use, how it helps me in my personal development, and what I feel about it when compared to physical books. Do I prefer this over physical books, or things like that. And then I'm also taking you along to shop for some audiobooks on the podcast episodes. So my podcast episodes, now I'm trying out something new from, I think it's from the last 2 or 3 episodes, wherein I am doing both video and audio format. So if you're listening on a podcast platform, you will listen to the audio, or if you're listening on YouTube, then you can also see the video. That's something that I'm trying out. We have that there. And then on Friday, the title is a bit long, so what I'm gonna write here is will goals limit. So I'm having certain conversations with people with regards to goals, and one of the concerns that comes up for them is, will having goals kind of limit the way you live your life, or does it does it stop you from exploring other things in life? So I'm going to be talking about that on Friday. So we have all of this set up, and then on the sidebar, I want to have a to-do list, things that I want to get done outside these 7 videos. So I think I'm gonna use this, put it over here, and then use a to-do sticker, call this checklist thing. So we have this. I also have this weekend sticker, so why not? Let's use it. This is nice. I think we can use this as well to cover up one of these. Let's do it. Tuesdays are the days where I don't really do much for my social media stuff or my content stuff. I also wanted to thank you guys because I reached 300 subscribers recently, I think a couple of days back. Thanks a lot for that. Here we go. It looks pretty. So we have this. Is there any other sticker that I might want to use? Oh, you know what? I want to use the day off sticker. On 21st, it's my birthday, and I want to make sure that I don't work on any of these things on this particular day. Just have the day off. Make sure that the videos or anything that I usually do on Sundays is all done before that. I'm just gonna use this birthday sticker here as well. So here we go, guys. We have the content planner ready to go for the upcoming week. Thank you so much for watching. If it helped you or if you just enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.